Tentin, tenitalin, turn, somewhere. Hi there, dumelang sanbonani, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mtazirapito, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. And if you're new in this YouTube channel, thank you very much for tuning in. If you'd like to see a content of education, fitness, and faith, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Please do not forget to comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like to say something or ask something. Please feel free, and please do not forget to share with your friends if you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to share with other students, because we all want to be a student in this YouTube channel. We are all a student, and that is what we're striving for if we are not there yet. Okay, no problem, let's get back to it. On today's video, I'd like to talk about I have my notes here so that I do not forget. All my videos are in the simplest format, no English that you do not understand and everything. So as you've seen in the description below, today's video is about how to use tentin. You might have seen it, you might have come across it. It is very famous at UNISA, especially if you have written assignments, theory subject in most cases. So that is what we're talking about today, and I only have 4 main points. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 main points. At the end of this YouTube video, I'm so sure that you will understand better on how to use tentin. Okay, so the first one, it is what is tentin, right? So what I have here is that in a simplest format, in simple meaning, in simple terms, it is a plagiarism detection software that scans your work against the information on the internet. On the internet, it includes submitted works. So if someone have used tentin to scan their assignments, and that work is already submitted on tentin, and it will remain there forever. That is one thing that you have to remember. So if I have an assignment that I've written this year, I've used tentin, then what does that mean? That simply means that if I give someone my assignment and someone has got to use that assignment and submit it, trust me, if they submit on tentin, it will show that that work is already a submitted work. Most universities, especially UNISA and DUT, they do use tentin quite a lot, meaning that even the assignments, the questions that are on the assignment, they're submitted on tentin, right? That's something that you have to understand. Information on the internet in general, which is the famous one, which is the studuco.com, right? Because it's an AI detector, something like that. So if you copy something directly on studuco.com, then trust me, tentin will be able to pick that up. So that's one thing that you have to know. Second point being how it scores you. So here's how tentin scores you. It is in a percentage, overall, summary, similarity basically. So how it scores you, it's on the percentage, overall, similarity. So the higher your similarity percentage, it means that the higher you have copied someone's work being it word by word. That is point number 2. Point number 3 is how to download the report. Maybe a lot of you are not aware that you can actually be able to analyze the report before it can be marked. So if it happens that you submit a week before the closing date, what will happen is that in a couple of days, you will be able, if not 24 hours, you'll be able to view your report. So obviously when you go to my modules and then you submit your assignment there, there's a sign there's a small icon, the 10 icon. You click on that icon, or next to the icon is the percentage, the similarity percentage that you would normally get. You click on that percentage, and then a report will be downloaded on your phone or your PC if you're using a laptop or a PC. And then from there, you can be able to analyze your report. Let's say you get 52% similarity. What does that mean? You've copied someone's work 52% similar. So in terms of the word student number, the word assignment number 2, your cover page can even contribute about 2% to the percentage, right? So it is very important that you also do not repeat the questions that you have on your assignments. So your assignment should have answers. And what's important is that you'll be able to analyze your report. It will tell you that a certain percentage is submitted work, a certain percentage it is UNISA's work, especially words that UNISA uses a lot. You will get similarity on that. So that is why it's unlikely that you'll get 0% similarity. So what is recommended is that at least 30% above. So no, I mean 30% and below. So from 0 to 30% similarity percentage overall, that is acceptable. That is better. That makes sense. But if you get over 30%, then it's very important that you analyze your report. And from there, you'll be able to get hints on what to remove, what to paraphrase, and so on and so forth. And then you get an opportunity to resubmit your assignment, the one that you would have edited after you get your percentage, your similarity percentage. So that is point number 3 on how to download your report and to analyze your report, especially a week or days before your closing date on that certain assignment. So number 4, that is the last point on how to avoid high similarity percentage. I'm giving you solutions. I'm not only giving you problems. So the first one is that you do not repeat the questions. So your assignment is there, you have your questions, you have everything. When you write on your answer sheet, please do not repeat your questions because that will contribute to the similarity percentage. Number 2, always submit a week before so that you can be able to analyze your work and you can fix where you must fix. And this is the last point, and it is also very, very important, which is paraphrasing. I never liked this word before because I did not understand it. It didn't make sense to me, but now it does. So in simple terms, we can say that to paraphrase is to write something in your own words, using your own understanding. This is very, very important that you paraphrase, because if you must familiarize yourself with synonyms and not copying and pasting, but writing something in your own understanding. That would contribute very much to lowering your similarity percentage, believe it or not. So yeah, that is very much important. So please do not forget, I talked about 4 points, which is what is 10, how it scores you, how to download the report, and lastly, how to avoid high similarity percentage. I hope I tried my best to explain to you in the most simpler term, in the most simplest form. Please do not forget to comment if you have any questions, if you have anything that I might have forgotten to say. Let's engage, let's share with our friends, because we all want to be a student. And now is the beginning of the second semester, and I wish you nothing but the best, and I hope that you did well in your first semester. If you have year modules, I hope that You do not forget that it's a year modules. So now and again, every month there are assignments. You can't relax even if it's the second semester hasn't started, because year modules, you have assignments throughout the year. So that's all for me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and till we meet again.